Hello students, I am Dr. PC Cambodia, Associate Professor in the Department of English, BSR Government Arts College, Alwar, Rajasthan. This class is for the students of BA Part 2nd English Literature. This is revision exercise number 5. I begin the exercise. What is the name of Nora's maid servant who takes care of her children? The name of Nora's servant who assists her in her nursing duty is Anne Mary. How many children does Nora have? Nora has 3 children. They are Ivor, Bob, and Amy. What is the name of Nora's maidservant who helps her in her domestic duties? The name of Nora's maidservant who helps her in her domestic duties like cleaning, sweeping, dusting is Helena. How does Nora repays the loan she took for her husband's illness? Nora repays the loan through the installments. She saves some amount daily. She expends for the domestic expenses, but she cuts on herself and adds some amount to her daily saving, gets some substantial amount, and at the end of the month she pays through the installment. Does her husband know about the repayment initially? No, her husband does not know about such payment. What do you mean by IOU? IOU is an agreement in banking sector. If a borrower borrows some amount as a debt, he has to sign an agreement that he is bound to pay the money that he is taking as a loan, and he will repay it. This is a sort of a document, guarantee given to the bank that the borrower will return the amount as per their norms, terms, and conditions. Those terms and conditions may be that of the time period or maybe that of the rate of interest. They are all included in it. What do you mean by tarantella? Tarantella is a kind of a dance. It is an Italian dance. How does Nora prepare for tarantella? Nora prepares for tarantella, the Italian dance, by asking a lady tailor to come to her house, take the proper measurements for the dress that was to be stitched, and then she practices for the dancing steps. Several rounds of practice go on, and this way Nora prepares for the tarantella type of dance. What will be the meaning of receiving 2 visiting cards with black cross marks of danger in the letter box of Nora? If Nora receives 2 visiting cards with the marks of 2 cross, that is the symbol of danger. If such 2 cards are received in black ink, then it will mean that Dr. Rank is no more in the world. Does Nora receive such two cards? Yes, Nora receives such two cards in her letterbox. And what is she reminded of then? She is reminded of the death of Dr. Rank. Then we come to the next question. Who composed the play Chandalika? Rabindranath Tagore composed the play Chandalika. Rabindranath Tagore is the Indian patriot. He is a musician, painter, poet, and the dramatist. So this play Chandalika was composed by the great personality Rabindranath Tagore. What is the name of Gautam Buddha's disciple in the play Chandalika? The name of Gautam Buddha's disciple in the play Chandalika is Ananda. Who saves the spellbound Ananda at the end of the play Chandalika? Lord Buddha saves spellbound Ananda towards the end of the play Chandalika. How is Prakriti's mother penalized at the end of the play Chandalika? Prakriti's mother is penalized with the death penalty at the end of the play Chandalika. What message does the play Chandalika gives to the readers? To the readers, the play Chandalika gives the message that untouchability is not to be spreaded. We are all the generations of God. Do not discriminate on account of caste, color, and creed. We belong to one nation, one universe. Rather, we should have a cosmopolitan attitude. That world is our home. We are not divided. We have the entire world for ourselves. It is the concept of nation without borders. So this play Chandalika gives the message that untouchability is not to be spreaded. We can go anywhere. We can draw water from any well. We can visit any temple. Caste, color, and creed will not come in any way, because we are all the offsprings of the Almighty who has given us the birth. It is the message that the Buddhist monk they give to Prakriti, and they teach a fine lesson. Then we come to the next question. What do you think about the length of the play Chandalika? Is it a short play or a very, very lengthy play? Chandalika is not a lengthy play. It is a short play. Name any two characters from the play Chandalika composed by the great nationalist, patriot and poet Rabindranath Tagore. The two characters that we come across in the play Chandalika or Prakriti and Ananda. We shall be taking the revision exercise the next time. Thank you so much.